Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your T-Mobile 5G home internet suddenly starts slowing down, disconnecting devices, or behaving differently than usual, doing a reset may help refresh everything and get the connection working more smoothly again. Sometimes websites stop loading properly, while other times the gateway appears connected but devices still struggle to stay online. A quick reset can sometimes clear temporary glitches, refresh network communication, and help improve overall performance without anything too complicated. Before assuming something major is wrong with the service, there are few simple steps worth trying because many internet issues can improve after a reset. Let's walk through an easy way to reset T-Mobile 5G home internet. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the T-Mobile 5G home internet gateway before beginning the reset process. Step 2. Disconnect power from the T-Mobile 5G home internet gateway and leave it unplugged briefly. Step 3. Wait a short moment while the T-Mobile 5G home internet gateway fully refreshes connection settings. Step 4. Reconnect power to the T-Mobile 5G home internet gateway and allow the lights to stabilize normally. Step 5. Reconnect devices to the T-Mobile 5G home internet network if Wi-Fi names or settings refresh after the reset. Step 6. Test browsing through the T-Mobile 5G home internet gateway and confirm the connection begins working smoothly again.